In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Google Docs files. First, open Google Drive and make sure you're signed in. Locate the Google Docs you want to combine and take a quick moment to note their titles and the order you want them to appear. Consistent formatting in the originals, like using the same heading styles, will make the merged result look cleaner. Next, click the gear icon in the top right corner of Drive to open settings. In the menu on the left, choose Manage Apps. This is where Drive keeps track of apps that can work with your files. Click Connect More Apps. A marketplace window will appear where you can find tools that integrate with Drive. In the search bar, type Merge Google Documents. Open the result and click Install. You may be asked to allow permissions so the app can read and create files in your Drive. Review the prompts and proceed. If you're using a work or school account, you might need admin approval. If that's the case, check with your administrator. Once the installation finishes, return to Google Drive. If you don't see the app right away, refresh the page. Now select one of the docs you want to start with, right-click it, choose Open With, and select Merge Google Documents. This opens the Merge tool, which will guide you through combining files. Inside the app, you'll see the first document you opened already listed. Add the other docs you want to merge so they appear together in the selection area. Arrange them in the exact order you want the content to flow. If the tool offers options, choose whether to preserve formatting or insert page breaks between files depending on your needs. Before you finalize, give your merged file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Something like Project Reports Merged works well, and you can include the date for version tracking. Confirm your choices and start the merge. The tool will create a new Google Doc in your Drive with all the selected documents combined. That's it. Open the new file to review the content, scan for any spacing or heading adjustments you want to make, and save your changes. If something looks off, tweak the formatting in the original docs and run the merge again. For best results, keep fonts, headings, and margins consistent across the originals and ensure you have edit access to every document you're merging. You've now successfully merged your Google Docs into a single polished file.